This little motif is the latest in the boredom busters that I've been putting up for my Facebook group, Helen M International Embroidery Family. And the very first thing that we do when we're working on a pale background is to work what I call the shadow line on the underside of each element of the picture, which is away from your imagined light source. Now we're working it in a slim stem stitch. You can see that you don't have to be incredibly accurate and use tiny stitches to work this. You can be a little bit cavalier if you want to, because you're later going to be working up to this line and therefore disguising it just a little bit. And I'm working here in just 2 strands of very fine floss silk. This is actually Piper's floss silk, and you'll find a link to Piper's both on my Facebook page and also on YouTube. And those 2 strands that I'm using in fact create a slightly narrower gauge than I will be using for the rest of the infill of the motif. So we're imagining that the light within the picture is coming from up here, let's just say the top quadrant, and so everything on the underside of each element of the motif is going to have that fine shadow line worked on it. As you can see, I say again, I know I keep on saying this, you don't have to use tiny stitches. So there's the leaf, and then we will do the same thing with all the stems, the bud, the flower, the tendrils. Everything will have this suggestion of a shadow underneath it.